Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. You know, we like a challenge, especially a big commercial challenge. So when Wyndham Hotel, Atlantic Resort came to us at the end of last year and said, got a problem with our ballroom, we were ready to take it on. Now what they had there was a luxury vinyl plank that was floating, and unfortunately it was failing. The reason it was failing was that the floor underneath was not perfectly flat. What we proposed to do was rip everything out, grind the floor down, make it smooth, and go in with a glue down vinyl plank. That was the right product. It took us more than 2 weeks to do it, especially the floor preparation, which is key. Now they have a beautiful result. It's going to last for a long time. It is easily repairable. If any one of these planks is damaged, you can just pull it up almost like a Post-it and put another one down. Great solution for the Atlantic Resort, 8,000 square feet of vinyl plank. We love challenges like that. We're ready to do it for you. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.